Hello, Lions. Welcome to our second annual virtual open house. I'm Jonathan Daniels. You may recognize me from such blockbuster videos as the LEMS orientation and the COVID presentation video. If you haven't seen those yet, they are linked to on this page, so please take a look. Again, welcome. There are two parts to today's open house. I know you want to get to the teachers' videos, so I'll keep this short. And then at 2 o'clock, the individual Teams meetings with teachers for introductions and Q&A. But before you hear about what the teachers do in their classrooms, I wanted to talk a little bit about what guides our efforts as a school. And of course, the first place we have to look is at Dodea's mission and vision. What I wanted to focus in on today is the word excellence. How do we know if we are providing excellent instruction, and what is excellent instruction? Well, as luck would have it, Dodea has provided a very detailed definition of excellent instruction. So some points I wanted to highlight about this is notice how often you see the word evidence. This refers to the data that we collect, we analyze, and we use to adjust our instruction at all levels, whether it's school-wide, by classroom, and with individual students. In the fifth bullet, the words differentiation, remediation, and enrichment, this is how we individualize instruction so that all students are getting what they need. And in the last bullet, our goal is really for students to take ownership of their learning rather than being passive. So all our instructional decisions are going to align with this definition. This is sort of the filter that we use as we're making these decisions. And this comes up in our school action plan, comes up in all our professional learning that we participate in, our focused collaboration between teachers, and of course the data that we collect and analyze. We'll be talking more about things like our school action plan throughout the school year. So thank you for watching. Please take some time to watch the teachers' videos. Of course, the nice thing about them being recorded and posted is you can come back and watch them anytime. Remember, at 2 o'clock, teachers will be live on their individual Teams links. They don't have any prepared topics or schedule for that, so just pop in and out to different teachers for any questions you might have or just to say hi. Thank you for coming to our virtual open house.